Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create contact us page in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, we need to click on this add new page right here in order to create a new page within our website in here. So as you can see, this will direct us to a new site wherein we can actually choose our template. So here's a template library of WordPress. You can see that they have in here this contact, so click on that. And then you can see this contact page with map and contact form as well as a centered heading. Just choose which one you like, but for me, I'll head over and choose this one. And then once I've clicked on it, it will be applied in here on your contact. You can head over and then actually edit it their liking. So you can click on this one and you can remove some things. You can add some things as well. You can remove the heading and anything that you want in here. Now you can see that I have in here this first name field, last name field, email field, as well as this message. So if you want to add a new field, what you can do is you can click on this plus icon right here and then search in here for field. Now you can see we have in here this drop down field, text input field, name field, date picker, and all of these things. For example, you want to add a phone number field, just head over and then just drag this where you want to put it. So for example, let's put it just below the email field. Now as you can see, it will be added. So just add or remove any field that you want to add for this one and then submit it or just save it. Now in here, we have in here this maps. So you can click on this maps right here. And as you can see, it's actually been integrated or added already. Now you can also just edit it out if you want to as well. And as you can see, you can zoom it out and whatever. Now from in there, just click on publish right here in order to publish this contact us page that you have just made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.